Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to walk you through our latest camper van conversion, which is an extended 170 version of the Sprinter. The length from the back of the driver's seat to the rear measures 15 feet 3 inches, with an interior width of 5 feet 10 inches. After the conversion, the interior height stands at 6 feet 3 inches, making this the longest Class B RV we've ever worked on. The client's requirements for this project differ significantly from those of our previous RV customizations. She envisions a vehicle that supports long-term, solo living with the following key features: a spacious, separate shower and toilet, a single bed, ample countertop space for cooking, working, or leisure activities, a generously sized kitchen for easy meal preparation, plenty of storage space, which is her top priority, a living area completely separate from the driver's cabin. With these 6 key requirements in mind, we designed a cozy mobile studio on wheels. Now, let's walk through our design process. Based on our past van life experiences, we know that space in a Class B van is extremely limited. Without a spacious and open layout, long-term living in the van can quickly feel cramped and restrictive. To address this, we divided the interior into 3 main sections: the kitchen area directly behind the driver's cabin, the living area in the middle, and the bath area at the rear. The living space is separated from the driver's cabin by the kitchen counter, which forms an L-shaped kitchen and workspace, maximizing the available countertop area. On the opposite side is the single bed. At the rear, we place the shower and toilet separately. This eliminates the inconvenience of moving the toilet in and out during showers, providing a more spacious and comfortable area for toilet use. To maximize storage, we installed a full-length closet that acts as a partition between the bathroom and the living space. This layout ensures smooth, continuous movement throughout the vehicle, enhancing the openness of the space. Lastly, the entire ceiling area is fitted with overhead cabinets to meet the client's need for ample storage. Now, let's take a detailed look at the interior space. The kitchen is located just behind the driver's cabin, with a highly efficient workflow. Washing takes place at the sink, prepping on the middle counter, and cooking on the adjacent stove. With the door open, the area is easily ventilated for cooking. To create more counter space, we extended the kitchen and work areas into a continuous L-shaped counter that runs all the way to the bathroom. To maintain the walkway while keeping the kitchen counter spacious, we cut a chamfer at one end, ensuring enough room for the walkway without compromising the width of the single bed. Since the client plans to live in the van long-term, she chose a larger 95L refrigerator, a multifunction oven with an air fryer, and a double induction stove. One standout design feature is the use of natural wood slats on the kitchen cabinetry, which contrast with the white cabinets. The camper is also equipped with a secondary water system. Since the client will be living in a northern region, where temperatures often drop below freezing, the gray water tank under the vehicle would become unusable. To address this, we installed 2 gray water systems, a 22-gallon 83L tank beneath the vehicle, and a smaller 7-gallon 27L tank under the sink. A 3-way valve allows the client to easily switch between the 2 systems depending on weather conditions. Below the counter, we've installed drawers and 2 cabinets with double doors. Some may wonder where the dining table is located. By pulling out the hidden table, the client can comfortably sit and enjoy a meal. To provide ample legroom, we recessed the cabinets into the wheel well, creating a cozy seating area. Above the wheel well, we made use of every bit of available space by installing a narrow, double-door cabinet. In a Class B RV, every inch matters. The size and placement of counters, cabinets, switches, and outlets must be carefully thought out to match the user's habits and movement flow. For example, we strategically position switches and outlets throughout the vehicle. The main switches are conveniently placed near the entrance, separate from other control panels to prevent interference. Since the client requested additional windows for natural light, wall space for outlets became limited. Instead, we placed outlets directly on the countertops. One set of outlets is located near the workspace, while another is near the kitchen. We selected GFCI-protected outlets for the kitchen to safeguard against water splashes and debris. A third outlet is installed at the foot of the bed, providing external power connections and convenient use of electronics in bed. Additionally, We installed USB-equipped reading lights on both sides of the bed. Let's take a look at the single bed design. The bed measures 36 by 70 inches with a fresh water tank and power system installed underneath. We've equipped the van with a 38-gallon freshwater tank and a Victron power system, while also leaving space for future battery expansions. At the head of the bed, we designed a small bedside cabinet. This cabinet also serves as a maintenance access point for the plumbing system. The upper portion functions as a small wardrobe, providing hanging space for clothes or optional removable shelves for additional storage. The lower section can be opened for easy access to the shower faucet for maintenance. The full-height wardrobe serves as a partition between the bathroom and the living area, with a soft curtain offering additional separation. Measuring 32 by 24 inches, the bathroom is spacious for a Class B RV. The toilet is positioned outside the shower, enhancing comfort and convenience for long-term use. For added privacy and insulation, we opted not to install windows in the rear doors. Instead, we finished them with the same wooden paneling used throughout the interior and added hooks for towels and clothes. The exhaust fan, located directly above the bathroom, effectively manages ventilation and moisture control. We also painted the walls with a material called lime paint or lime wash, which is applied in a layered process to create a natural texture and a soft, earthy tone. This finish gives the interior a cozy, home-like atmosphere and is made from environmentally friendly materials. The interior layout and functional features of the RV have been fully presented. Now let's take a look at some of the basic configurations of this vehicle. The roof is equipped with 400-watt solar panels, and we've installed a 3.6 kilowatt-hour power system, a 4-gallon Bosch water heater, a MaxxAir ventilation fan, a Dometic RTX 2000 air conditioner, and an S-Bar diesel heater. The vehicle also includes shore power and city water connections. This RV's layout is quite different from the typical floor plans found in most RVs, but it's one of my favorite designs for a Class B camper van. The space is open and bright, with clearly defined functional zones and seamless circulation throughout. Each area offers plenty of room to move, and no space was sacrificed to benefit another. It feels like a cozy mobile studio. I'm already imagining driving it to my favorite cities or wide open outdoor spaces, not just living out of a vehicle, but truly making it my home.